When was the last time you had $1,000 sitting in your bank account, just there? Not for bills. Not for rent. Just yours. For most people that feels impossible. Like something that only happens to other people. But here's the truth. Saving $1,000 in 30 days is not about making more money. It's about making different decisions with the money you already have. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Step by step. No fluff. Let's go. First, let's break down the math. Because $1,000 sounds scary. But broken down. $1,000 in 30 days is $33 per day. That's it. $33 per day. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have an extra $33 per day. But here's the thing you probably do. You're just spending it on things you don't notice. The average person spends around $200 to $300 per month on things they don't even remember buying. Random Amazon purchases. Impulse buys. Subscriptions they forgot about. Food they threw away. That's already $7 to $10 per day gone. Without even thinking about it. So the goal isn't to suffer for 30 days. The goal is to find where your money is leaking and redirect it. Step 1. Audit your last 30 days of spending. Open your bank app right now. Scroll through every transaction from the last 30 days. Every single one. I want you to put every purchase into one of 3 categories. Category 1. Essential. Rent, bills, groceries, transport. Things you absolutely need. Category 2. Worth it. Things you genuinely enjoyed and would buy again. Category 3. Waste. Things you bought and barely used. Subscriptions you forgot. Food you didn't eat. Impulse purchases you regret. Most people find between $100 and $400 in Category 3. Money that's gone and left nothing behind. That's your first $100 toward the $1,000. Just from stopping the waste. Step 2. Do a 2-week no-spend challenge. Here's the rule. For 14 days you only spend on essentials. Rent. Bills. Groceries. Transport. That's it. No eating out. No coffee shops. No online shopping. No impulse buys. Nothing extra. I know. It sounds extreme. But it's only 14 days. And the results are dramatic. The average person saves between $200 and $500 during a 2-week no-spend challenge. Just by pausing and asking, do I actually need this? And here's the side effect nobody talks about. After 14 days of not spending, you realize how many of your purchases were just habit. Not need. Not even real enjoyment. Just habit. Step 3. Sell stuff you don't use. Look around your room right now. I guarantee there are things you haven't touched in months. Old clothes. Electronics. Books. Games. Furniture. That stuff is just sitting there losing value. Turn it into cash. Apps like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Depop make it incredibly easy to sell things within 24 to 48 hours. Most people find $100 to $300 worth of stuff to sell in one afternoon. One afternoon. $200. Done. And the bonus. Your space gets cleaner. Your mind gets clearer. It's a win on every level. Step 4. Stack every extra dollar immediately. Every time you save money, put it away instantly. Don't leave it in your checking account where it's easy to spend. Open a separate savings account, ideally a high-yield savings account, and every time you find savings, transfer it immediately. Cancel the subscription. Transfer that $12 right now. Cooked at home instead of eating out. Transfer the $15 you would have spent. Skip the coffee shop. Transfer the $5. It sounds small. But $5 here. $12 there. $15 here. By the end of 30 days, it adds up faster than you think. The psychological trick is this: when the money is in a separate account, it feels saved. When it's still in your checking account, it feels available. Move it immediately. Let's put it all together. Here's how you hit $1,000 in 30 days. Stop the waste from your spending audit, $150 to $300. 2-week no-spend challenge, $200 to $500. Sell stuff you don't use, $100 to $300. Stack every saving immediately into a separate account. Add those up. That's easily $450 to $1,100 in 30 days. And the best part? You didn't need a raise. You didn't need a second job. You just needed a plan. Here's your challenge for the next 30 days. Day 1, audit your spending. Find the leaks. Day 2 to 14, no spend challenge. Day 15, sell something. Day 16 to 30, stack every dollar you save. $1,000. 30 days. You've got this. If this video helped you, subscribe. Every week I break down personal finance in a way that actually makes sense. No complicated stuff. Just real, practical advice. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to cut? Let me know. See you in the next one.